Why not transform your patio or garden and increase the value of your home instantly? We can improve your patio and garden area for outside living and dining, helping you relax in the ambience of your garden. Your new canopy or veranda will allow you to host a garden party without the fuss, and your guests can enjoy each other's company for longer, even if it's raining, cold, or dark, as heating and lighting can also be supplied. Your children's party no longer has to rely on the UK weather. Go ahead and plan with confidence. Do you worry about staying safe in the sun? You can rest assured. Our glass and polycarbonate roofing panels feature UV filters, which work to keep you protected, creating an ideal sun-safe play area for your children. Are you looking to protect your car, to keep it ice-free in winter or cooler in summer? A stylish aluminium carport will keep your vehicle sheltered, which means less washing, keeping your paintwork looking vibrant. Our UK-manufactured systems combine top-quality construction and a maintenance-free durable finish in a colour of your choice, with a life expectancy of 25 years. Contact us today for more information and a free quotation.